multiplying decimals. So let's have a warm-up. Let's multiply 336 by 15. Si 15, pwede natin siyang gawing 5 plus 10 para i-multiply muna natin say 336 si 5. So 5 times 6, 30. So we put 0 here. Carry 3. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. We put 8. Carry 1. 5 times 3, 15 again, plus 1, we have 16. So 336 times 5 is 1,680. And then 336 times 10, 3,360. We just added 0 sa 336. Now we add them. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 4, carry 1. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10. So we have 0. Carry 1 again. 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5. So the final answer is 5,040. Now, let's try this. What if we have 33.6 multiplied by 1.5? Remember, yung sagot natin kanina ay 5,040. So, bibilangin lang natin yung decimal place. Kay 33.6, isa. Kay 1.5, isa. I-add natin yon. So, dalawang decimal place dapat yung ilalagay natin sa naging product nila, which is si 5,040. So, nag-move from this point, isa, dalawa, kaya napunta dito yung decimal point. So we have 50.40 or pwede nating tanggalin yung 0 sa dulo para ang maging final answer ay 50.4. Let's try another one. Warm up uli ng multiplication, 27 times 23. Si 27, pwede kong gawing 20 plus 7. Si 23 naman ay 20 plus 3. And then, i-pair ko lang yung mga numbers. So, si 20 times 20, 20 times 7, 20 times 3, and then 7 times 3. So, magkaka-pair na silang lahat. So, let's try to multiply them. 20 times 20 is 400. 20 times 7 is 140. 20 times 3 is 60. And 7 times 3 is 21. Pwede mo sabihin, ang dami naman po niyan. Pero mas dami man, pero mas madadali lang naman. So, let's try to add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6. So we have 621. Now for 2.7 times 2.3, two decimal places again. So yung 621, mula dito sa kanan niya, mag-move ka lang ng dalawa. 1, 2. So we have 6.21. Next, let's try 415 times 34. Ayan, si 34, pwede natin gawing 30 plus 4. Multiply natin si 415 kay 4. 4 times 5 ay 20. So, 0 dito. Carry 2. 4 plus times 1 is 4 plus 2. We have 6. And 4 times 4, 16. So, we have 1,660. Next, 415 times 30. So, ilagay na agad natin yung 0 sa dulo. Parang imumultiply na lang natin kay 415 ay si 3. So, 3 times 5, 5, or 15 I should say. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. So, we have 4. And then 3 times 4, 12. Then add natin. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 5, 11. So, we put 1, carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Plus 4, 11. We put 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. And here, we bring down 1. So, we have 14,110. Now, if we are to multiply 4.15 times 3.4, we have how many decimal places? 2 dito, isa dito. So, we have 3 decimal places. So, sa answer natin na 14,110 kanina, we should move 3 decimal places. Yan. So, we have 14.110. And again, dahil may 0 sa dulo, pwede natin siyang i-remove. So, our final answer is 14.11. Last one. 647 times 28. Parang warm up lang. So, let's try. Pwedeng si 28 gawin natin 30 minus 2. But this time, minus ang gagawin natin imbes na add sa mga resulting products nila. 647 times 30, si 0, ilalagay ko na automatically dun sa dulo. And then, mumultiply ko na lang si 3 kay 647. So, 3 times 7 is 21. We put 1 here. Carry 2. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14. We put 4, carry 1. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1, we have 19. Next, 647 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. We put 4, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. And then 2 times 6, 12. Now we subtract. 0 minus 4 cannot be. Borrow. So we have 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then 0 minus 9 cannot be. We borrow kay 4. Si 4 magiging 3. Si 0 magiging 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then 3 na lang to. Minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So our final answer is 18,116. So, pwede rin naman natin na gawing 20 plus 8 si 28 if hindi ka sanay sa subtraction. So, here, 647 times 20. Lagay na natin si 0 dun agad. 2 times 7, 14. So, we put 4, carry 1. 2 times 4, 8. Plus 1, we have 9. And then 2 times 6, 12. Kay 8 naman. 8 times 7, 56. Write 6. Carry 5. 8 times 4, 32. Plus 5, 37. So, we put 7. Carry 3. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 1 is 51. So, we put 51 there. Now we add. 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 7 is 11. We put 1, carry 1. 1 plus 9 plus 1 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8. And then bring down 1. So we still have the same answer. 18,116. Pwedeng 20 plus 8, pwedeng 30 minus 2. Pero mas prefer ko yung kung saan siya mas malapit. Kasi sa 28 mas malapit kay 30. Ganon. Pagka 21, 22, 23, 24, mas malapit kay 20. So, ginagawa ko 20 plus 4, gano'n. 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2. Pero, punta na tayo sa pag-multiply ng decimals. Let's say, 6.47 ang i-multiply kay 2.8. Ang answer natin kanina dyan, nung wala yung mga decimal places, 18,116. So, yun lang din yung sagot. Pero, this time, 3 decimal places. So, from here, we count 3 decimal places. And then, we'll get 18.116. Yun lang.